Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we highlight the work of a Jamaican healthcare worker in the U.S. She's on a mission to uplift her hometown in St. Ann through farming. With that story, here's Ken Morgan.
And by extension, a nation, one farmer at a time. That's the aim of Shanine Williams, a mental health clinician by profession, who has a die-hard passion for farming. Growing up in the farming community of Bohemia, St. Ann, Shanine says practicing the trade was inevitable.
I remember going to the field with my grandfather and planting, doing bush cooking. I enjoyed those stuff.
It is why every few months, Shanine would leave her job in the U.S. to come to the farm, where she employs and trains people in her community on how to plant and reap ginger. This, she believes, will in turn develop her hometown.
Because if they weren't on the field today, they would have been at home sitting, maybe gambling or doing nothing. But I want to go above and beyond what my foreparents did. Not only just planting, but we want to do some exporting.
That while teaching her neighbors to become self-sufficient.
I don't want to only put money in their pockets. I want to teach them about the crop and different crops. I would like to have a workshop where I'm inviting other people to come in and to teach the community how to plant the crop that they are producing, because it makes no sense. Everyone is planting and they have no idea what they're doing.
This really encouraged me to go all out and can do what's best for me.
Shanine says on average, her farm exports roughly 6,000 pounds of ginger weekly to New York. And the demand is growing. Shanine wants to shift the belief that farming is only for the old. It is why she wants Jamaicans, especially more young people, to come on board.
I don't want my community to think that the only way out is to become a police or become a soldier, or you have to go on farm work. I want them to be comfortable to know that I can have a farm, I can produce my crop, and after that I can build a house, I can buy a car, I can raise my family.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Ken Morgan.